we're going to look at the quotient property of logarithms. Here we have the logarithm with a base b of a quotient, or of some fraction here, and that is equal to the difference of the logarithms with that base of the numerator minus the denominator for that. So we have this property, log base b of m over n is equal to log base b of m minus log base b of n. Again, the numerator is first, the denominator is what's being subtracted as you separate that into two logarithms. Look at an example here to hopefully verify for you that this property is true and it's not just something that I've made up. Let's say I had the logarithm of 50 over 2, like that. Again, I'll use the base 10 common logarithm to make it a little bit easier to put into the calculator to evaluate this. But according to this rule, this should be equal to, it's an equal sign, I promise, log of 50 minus log of 2. Again, this logarithm of this quotient is equal to the logarithm of the numerator minus the logarithm of the denominator. Now let's go to the calculator and verify this for you before we proceed. Okay, so we're going to try to verify this is true for you here in the calculator. So we were just trying to compute log of 50 divided by 2. I'll just go ahead and compute that so you have this decimal equivalent for reference. And you can see that's equal to 1.3979, etc. We could have also done the division there and said 50 divided by 2 is 25, so log of 25, again, just for reference, is equal to that equivalent decimal there. So again, that doesn't show the property. So I want to, on the board a second ago, I said that this should be equal to log of 50 minus the log of 2. So that's expanding that into the two separate logarithms as that property would say. And I'm going to show you that this is in fact equivalent to the same thing there. So you can see the same decimal there, thus verifying that this property holds true for this specific example.